The seminar is called Blackness as an Organizing Strategy, and what it does is it looks at Black participation in post-civil rights social movements, and so focusing on how Blackness informs the organizing principles of movements like the environmental movement, the women's movement, the LGBT movement, contemporary conservatism. And when I say Blackness as an organizing strategy, it's sort of examining how these movements draw on historical tactics from the civil rights movement, strategies, rhetoric maybe, but also how these movements engage contemporary Black people to try to get them to participate more.